black color, red color, blue color, gray color, pink color, yellow ochre color, orange color, purple color, green color, white color, light gray color, and yellow color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. Kids, now you draw F and use blue color. F for fish. G for goat. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. And N for nose. It's now you draw O and use red color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R and use black color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. Kids, now you draw W and use orange color. W for whale. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use purple color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use black color. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, brown color, and green color. Kids, now you draw A and use blue color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. Kids, now you draw H and use yellow color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use red color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U, and U is black color. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Blue color, pink color, green color, orange color, purple color, yellow color, black color, gray color, red color, yellow ochre color, white color, and light gray color. Kids, now you draw one and use orange color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use green color. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Kids, now you draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use purple color. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Kids, now you draw 16 and use gray color. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.